my gosh. I'm wearing Skims Ultimate Push-Up Balconette Bra. You guys, this is in the color Sienna. Look at that lift. Look at this lift from the side. Oh my gosh. Here's the before, no bra on. Here is the after with the bra. Oh, oh my gosh. Before, after. Look at this lift, you guys. This is insane. This Ultimate Push-Up Balconette Bra is insane. Look at this lift. Look at the profile. The bra lays so nicely under clothes. Because of the balconette shape, it's pushing from underneath to give you that gorgeous lift that looks so natural and stunning. The Skims Ultimate Bra collection is always a go-to, and the push-up balconette bra just made it that much better. I will never get over this lift. You guys, okay, this really big thing happened. What is this? I tried to do heatless curls, okay? And if you would have seen what this looked like an hour or two ago, an hour and a half ago, it didn't look like this. Okay, now you can really see it. What is, I thought my heatless curls were gonna be these long, bouncy, sexy curls. No. So what we're gonna do is now I wanna create a really beautiful updo. I've seen this done in a few different ways, and if you guys follow Delaney Childs, you should. She's literally perfection, but more importantly, she does this like gorgeous updo that people were doing all over TikTok because she has perfect hair. And so I've seen it a few times. I'm just gonna wing it and hope that it turns out really cute. We're gonna try this. This is gonna be Heatless Hairstyles bun. Okay, and I'm just gonna wing this. How I see people doing it is they go like this, and so you kind of have this bigger chunk of hair at the front, because what we're gonna end up doing is like twisting this backwards. Okay, so we'll do that. Okay, so you have like this big chunk on both sides. Perfect. I'm just gonna take my fingers. I'm gonna do it on like the base. Does that make sense? Do it kind of on the back of my head right here. I'm not even gonna try to make it all nice. I'm gonna leave it like with these little bumpies and things. I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, using this big, thick hair tie. I just wanna make it tight. Okay, looks interesting so far. I'm gonna grab this hair and just kind of push it up. Do you see that? Just push. Do you hear my pants on the chair? It's the pants on the chair, sorry. I'm gonna take a smaller hair tie for this one actually. How am I gonna do that? And just wrap it around this. Huh. You guys, should I use a bigger hair tie? I need to stand up. Okay, I'm literally pushing all the hair up. Whatever doesn't make it, I'll just pin it. Because I think bobby pins are kind of the main, you know, this is what happens when you get it right the first time. Okay, oh, this is cute. Okay, you guys saw, I just pulled it through, did like that. Look at the back. Wait, I think it's cute. Wait, I'm getting excited now. Okay, I was starting to grow an extra wrinkle. I was feeling stressed. Okay, now with this, so I think with the hair, is what you do is you like take a chunk of it, okay? Like twist. I think they twist it, but like loosen it up. And then pin it up into the bun. Pin it up in there. So then you have this little curl hanging. Oh, I love it. I love this. Okay, wait, and again with this. Okay. Twist, and we'll pin up towards the back. See how we have like this little curly now? Wait, where'd this curly go? Where'd they go? Boom. That's cute. I need to relax this part, but like see how cute that is. All right, now same on this side. Okay, I'll do the bottom one first. Twist and push up. Wait, hold on, I want to twist this together more. And see, this is like the end of it right here. Wait, this is so cute. Cute, and then you have like these extra little cutesy things. Okay, and then with this one, again, twist and then look at that one. Oh my god, that's so cute. Wait, this is my favorite bun I've ever done. I'm not joking. Look how cute that looks. Are you? Okay, we have to fix these though. But this, oh, you see my baby hairs? Should I leave them or should I pin them? Wait, you guys, okay, I have to fix this. So this takes out the heatless part, but just pretend It's fine. It's fine, okay? I'm still calling this Heatless because the rest of it was. Okay, to fix these, I'm gonna use my main hot brush. I believe that's it. What's the name of this? I use this multiple times a week. Honestly, at first when I first got this hot brush, I did not like it. I was like, it doesn't hold a curl, whatever. But I just had to get used to using it and like holding it on my hair longer than 2 seconds because I'm impatient. I just kind of want them to like, there we go. Kind of curve into the face a little bit. Oh, see, and if it looks like there's too much hair, I can take some of this and pin it. Oh, I'll do that. Okay, cool. So with this one, we'll see what we got. Okay, see, and now, also I'm getting a haircut soon, so if my little pieces around my face look long, don't worry. Those will be fixed soon. Okay, wait, I need to actually get this to be curly then. This piece I'm gonna put back, so just curl that one up real quick. I'll do the same for this piece. Wait, you guys, this is really cute. I'm gonna do this simple twist up into it. Boom. Okay, this piece needs to be, oh, don't touch anything else. Boom, twisted that too. And for this piece, this curled one, we'll just twist back and up. Wait, oh, do we love this? You guys, wait. We have to take this out into the light. Wait, you guys. How cute is this bun? Are you joking me? Can you see how cute this is? Wait, should I turn? Can you see the back? Can you see the back of my bun? Are you kidding? This is my favorite bun in the world. Okay, I think I could play with this part a little bit. But like, look at it from the side. This is my favorite. I love it. I think it's so cute. Yes, no, I need to fix this front piece. You guys, I think I love it. I think it's so cute. Yeah, I like it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is my first hair video I've done in a really long time. Also, make sure to check out Skims and their new line. I will have that linked below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do I have a hair in my lip gloss? Thank you for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye, you guys.